What's going on, guys? It's your boy E85 Don. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to completely change the look of your interior. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dante, and this is my daily, an electric blue Hyundai Sonata. This is the start of a series, upgrading my daily until I can afford a project car. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. But enough of me talking, enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, we're going to start this project off by disconnecting the battery using 10mm socket. For the clips, there's a toolkit you can buy, or you could use a flathead. I just decided to use the tools because I had them handy. You know, this part took me 15 tries, but there are two T25 torque screws that you have to take out of the sunshade. Next, we're using a Phillips screwdriver to take off the grab handles. This is another tool out of the kit, and it just makes everything 10 times easier. I'm using this to remove the clips holding the headliner to the ceiling. For the A-pillar, it's just held in by clips. All you have to do is pull on it and it'll eventually come out. For the dome light, there are two screws hidden in the sunglasses holder. There's going to be a decent amount more clips, but we're just going to repeat what we did on the driver's side, on the passenger side. After removing the last A pillar, we're moving on to the B pillar, and that's just held on by clips as well. We just have to pull that off. Gonna do the same thing for the passenger side. After we remove the back grab handles, we use a pry tool to open up the back dome light and use a Phillips head to unscrew it. Music licensing reimagined. Now we're just using a pry tool to get these last clips off. I broke all of them, so I have to replace them. I know I said this was the ultimate tutorial, but this shit took me way longer than expected. It's no way it should have took me 30 minutes to take out a headliner, but it's shortened down for you guys. Surprisingly, I got the headliner out without any damage.
Music licensing reimagined.
And now I'm taping up a damn, wet mouth fast. And now I'm taping up a sunshade so I can dye it. The dye I'm using is a Fabric dye, and it was about $20 per bottle. And I didn't use that many bottles for this project, honestly.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
After the first coat dries, you then flip it over and do the same thing on the other side.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
And now we're starting on the headliner. I first start back cleaning it with water to just get all the dirt and grime off of it. I also decided to use a Fabric black fabric dye on the headliner as well.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Honestly, while I'm sitting here doing this, might as well just talk. I honestly don't know what to do next with the car. There's so many things I could do. I could paint my tires. I could wrap it, chrome delete it, air suspension, so much stuff. I just wanted to have like a decent looking daily. Then I'll move on to a project car. So in the comments, you guys tell me what you guys want to see.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Not gonna cap, the edges were a pain, so I took a day break and came back and did them.
Music licensing
This is
reimagined.
how your headliner should look after one coat of the fabric coat. If it doesn't, you could use another one. I'm going to do another one regardless. We then use the duplicolor vinyl and fabric spray paint. As you can see, I tried to use the fabric coat on the A pillar, but I failed miserably, so I had to start it over. And if you're wondering why I'm spray painting in my room, I live in Michigan right now, and it's cold as hell.
Artlist.io.
When spraying, you want to make sure you spray in all directions and keep a good distance away from the piece so you don't have any run. This is our Amazon Starlight kit. It was about $75, $80. I'll put the link in the description if any of you guys want it. The kit comes with the cables, projectors, and drill bits, so all you need is your own drill. Now I'm just using the headliner to map where I want my stars to be. I got the 250 stars, so I'm just trying to spread them out evenly.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
After taking forever, it's finally time to drill holes into my headliner. I was scared at this point, but
Artlist.io.
and now the part everyone's been waiting for, the wiring. This part is low-key the most tedious, but I low-key enjoyed it, considering I'm an engineering major. All we are doing is sticking the wire through the hole, putting hot glue in it, letting it dry, and eventually once it dries, we cut it. Ooh, I also forgot to tell you guys, I'm looking into getting a motorcycle, so you guys are gonna be the first people to know.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Finally, it's time to cut all the excess fiber optic cables off of the headliner.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm not gonna lie, it looks cold without everything even cut. You guys see I added something special for my girl. And for reassembly, you just put everything back in the order you took it out. If you have an extra screw, that means you did something right.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
And this is your final project. Fuck. And this and
Music licensing
this is the final product. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And as always, have a blessed day.